What is up, people of the internet? My name is David Gani and I go by the name Type Addict on social. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to design this beautiful typography style in Adobe Illustrator CC 2022. Let's get into it. Open up Illustrator, create a file. I'm using a file of 1920 by 1080 pixels with the color mode set to RGB color and the raster effect set to 300 ppi. First things first, with the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle covering the entire artboard. Next, we are going to import the color palette we will use to craft the typography. The link of this color palette is going to be in the description, so feel free to download it. With the rectangle background selected, using the eyedropper tool, apply the first color. Now go to Object, Lock, and click on Selection. With the Type tool, write out any text of your choice. I'm going to write out the text color. Apply a typeface that goes by the name Cinderella Personal Use Regular. With the zoom tool, zoom into the exact spot where you will be crafting your artwork. Select the text. Open up the appearance panel. Create a new fill color. With the eyedropper tool, apply the second color in the color palette. Duplicate the fill color. With the eyedropper tool, apply the third color in the color palette. Now click on the FX option. Go to Distort and Transform. Click on Transform. Set the horizontal to 1 pixels and the vertical. Increase the copies to 6. Duplicate the fill. With the eyedropper tool, apply the fourth color. Follow the same step to apply the remaining layers and colors while imputing and increasing the number of copies to any of your choice.